Hey, it's Jason from Jason's Tiki Adventures, and I'm back with another Tiki mug unboxing. And this time we got a mug off of eBay. And here's the box. So far it's looking pretty good. Oh no, what happened here? Right away, I'll tell you, do not blame the post office because the boxes I send out never get to look like this. You know why? Because I pack them perfectly with packing material. This box does not have enough packing material. So let's hope the mug is in one piece. The seller did ship it rather quick, so I'm happy for that, but I was not happy to see how crushed the corner was. Because here's what you got to remember. When you ship packages in the mail, or FedEx or UPS, the big tubs can hold 1,000 pounds of packages. So you got to pack your item like it could be the one that's on the bottom. So there's 1,000 pounds sitting above it. So this tells me not enough packing material. Oh, wow, this is lovely. I have his trash as packing material. Here is an envelope and a shipping label that he received something in. Here is the back of the shipping label. Oh, here's a flyer. What do we, what's on sale this week? Oh, Kate Hudson Fashions. Nice. Yeah, trash is not an acceptable, are you kidding me? Here is another envelope he received in the mail. I mean, this is not even padded. He is just using his trash to pack his mugs. And he charged an additional $3 over the shipping price. And I don't mind paying a little bit more for packing materials, but the box is free and his packing materials were all garbage. Absolute garbage. Oh, look, more garbage, more shipping label backs, and some more. Absolutely crazy. And it's wrapped in an envelope he received from someone. I mean, he just used every ounce of trash in his office. Because here is a first-class package that he received in the mail 2 weeks ago. So he just stuck the mug in there. Well, it did make it safe and sound in one piece. It is the long ago closed Hale Tiki. And I love this mug. So I am happy that it arrived in one piece, but definitely losing a lot of points for using trash for packing materials and not even enough packing materials because crushed boxes will oftentimes mean crushed mugs. But I got it, so I will not leave him the negative, and it's in good shape. So, all right. Head over to Jason's Tiki Adventures on Facebook. You'll find a link down here somewhere. And check out all my unboxing videos. And you never know when you're going to see your mug unboxed, because I buy mugs all the time from eBay, from Facebook groups, from the Tiki mug manufacturers, from the artists themselves. Matter of fact, I got a couple special surprises coming up in the near future with some mug unboxing. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you around the Tiki Bar. Aloha!